Mysore Palace. The palace you see today isn't the original one. Here's why. Welcome to Mysuru, the cultural capital of Karnataka. Famous for its royal heritage, sandalwood, silk, and vibrant traditions. Standing at the heart of the city is the iconic Mysore Palace, also known as Amba Vilas Palace. The original wooden palace was destroyed in a fire during the Dasara celebrations of 1897. The present palace was commissioned by Maharani Kempananjamanni Devi, designed by British architect Henry Irwin and completed in 1912. Built in the magnificent Indo-Saracenic style, the palace beautifully blends Hindu, Mughal, Rajput and Gothic architecture. Inside, you'll find the Grand Darbar Hall, the elegant Kalyana Mantapa, stunning stained glass ceilings, intricate carvings, and the famous golden throne. As evening falls, the palace comes alive with nearly 97,000 lights, creating one of India's most breathtaking sights. During the world-famous Mysuru Dasara festival, the city comes alive with magnificent royal processions, beautifully decorated elephants, traditional music, cultural performances, and spectacular fireworks. Visit Mysore Palace and experience the timeless royal heritage of Karnataka. Thank you for watching.